Happy Valentine's Day. Welcome back to my channel. It is me, it is I, the real Princey, Princess P. And we're going to talk about this quick tablescape that I put together for my husband and I for Valentine's Day. We'll go through piece by piece. A lot of things are from the dollar store. We have this from Dollarama. This comes in two sizes. I got the large one and I added a little accent flower. We have this vase that I got from IKEA, small mini one. I got this last season and I just added a few little roses that I had from my flower stash. I love this candle holder that I got from the Dollar Tree. There's a lot of other candle holders that everyone loves and raves about, and I saw these ones and they were quite different and they hold the candle so nicely. And my showstopper, my vase that I got from IKEA. I love this vase. It's so beautiful. The color is so nice. It's a subtle pink. It's matte. It's the same all the way around. It's a good size and I really love it. I thought this was my inspo for the whole table. On the inside, there you go. I didn't want to add too much with this because it really speaks for itself. These eucalyptus branches I got from Dollarama for $3 each, and I love them. I think they're so simple. They're not too plasticky. If you look at them, they have a real texture to them. I fold the bottom because if y'all know me, I never want to cut nothing. I don't want to put scissors to my nothing. I want to be able to use these in another way, maybe use them super long. So I just folded the bottom and I put them into my vase. And also because they hold better with the fold in this vase. I didn't want to put anything at the bottom of the vase to hold it. I didn't want to add the tape. So when I fold it, it kind of opens up and makes it steady. This little vanilla bean candle smells so nice. I got this tea light holder from Dollarama as well. And what I did is I just took the tops of 3 roses and I put them on the inside. But when you're doing that, also make sure that you're hiding the stems. I flipped it so the stems are at the bottom, and then using 3, I'm able to conceal all the stems. So when you're doing that, just keep that in mind. If you're using 2, you can, but you want to fluff it around so you're not seeing any of the stems, so it looks really seamless. And here we go with the plating. I got this placemat from Dollar Tree. I got this charger plate from the Dollar Tree. It's rose gold. And I got these clear plates. I got the set from the Dollar Tree. It comes with the side plate and the bowl. I got all 3. These napkins from the Dollar Tree. I just wanted to add some color there because I was using a clear plate. And I got this heart plate from Dollarama for $3. And with that heart plate, they do have a bowl. This is just a plain white napkin that I had. I'm a little OCD, so don't mind me. These utensils I got from Amazon. And then you add your little glasses that was up in my cupboard. And there you have it. This is a beautiful table for 2. And this is what it looks like with the lights down low. Turn the lights down low. Now, I hope you guys really enjoy your day today. Valentine's Day, it's Black History Month. It's the season of love and it's a season to love on everybody. Go ahead and stay with me. Show me some love. Stay with me. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. And use this as inspo. If you need any other details and you have questions, feel free to hit me up. Thank you for watching. Thank you for staying with me. Big up all of my real ones. Real ones, you don't know so well. Real recognize real in our real life. Love you long time. Until next time, it's your girl, the real Princey. Bye.